Good morning from the Philippines. It's Sunday morning today, guys. We're heading up to Nanay's house in Isabela, Mallig. I've got the whole crew here with me this morning. We're up nice and early. Here's a beautiful Kyla. Hello Kyla, say hi. She's on YouTube. Obviously Mrs. C this morning, chilling out with coffee. And his brother, this is Junior, little brother. Mr. Benedict. Benedict the man. If you need Uber in the Philippines, Benedict is a man. And of course, the beautiful Nanay, the queen, the queen of the family. So we're driving back. We're going to Nanay's house, which is where we're going to be staying for the next few weeks, and we're having fun. Yesterday I drank far too much Red Horse. Really enjoyed it. We're at the services at the moment, so we just stopped off. This is Benedict's car, beautiful car, the Toyota, nice car. And we found a place to drink coffee. There's a McDonald's and this lovely tree as well, complete with a bird's nest. It's fine. Oh, Kyla's learning how to blog already. What's she on? The Osmo 360. So she's getting Mrs. C lessons at the moment on how to blog. Okay. I'm going to hand you over to Kyla in a bit and she can carry on the blog for us. Are we vlogging this morning?
Hi! We're here in the Philippines.
We are in the Philippines.
Tito Steve.
Kyla's vlogging this morning, guys. We've let her loose with the Osmo, the Pocket 3.
So cold here. It's already
What time is it?
5:21
Oh my
p.m.
God, it's too early. What are we doing today?
We're going to the property.
We're going to
Stop
Nanay's.
over here to look early morning price.
Oh yeah, McDonald's with coffee. Right, a bit further up the road, guys. We're in, where are we at the moment? San Jose, on the way to Isabela from Manilla. So we're just about to hit the mountains. We just stopped with our friend Ben again, the driver. We stopped here, toilet break, more coffee. We've met up with Warren, who's my brother-in-law. Warren's over here in the silver car with Madame, my sister, and the babies. Warren's a cool guy. He's a policeman here, but he's a really, really cool policeman. More sisters, more family. There's Mum wearing a nice hat, and of course the beautiful Mrs. C. So again, it's nice here. Plenty of life. For a foreigner's first impressions of the barangay and rural Philippines, it's busy. I mean, it's Sunday morning today. Obviously, people are going to church. There's so many tricycles on the road. There's so many people at the side of the road selling things. Scooters everywhere. No helmets. About 6 on the scooter. And it's definitely an experience, guys. But one thing I will say straight away, the people here are so friendly. There's so much respect between people, you know, and that's something we don't get in the UK anymore. So we're going to have coffee, quick fag break, and then we're going to move on to the mountains. If I get time a bit later on, I'll try and get the drone out and see if we can get some footage with this new drone of ours. So I'll say goodbye for now. We'll catch up in a little while. Hey guys, well, it's a bit later on in the travel. It's about 5 hours left to go, I think. But we're in Nueva Elisa. We just finished, I think it's Nueva Elisa. And the Cagayan Valley we're in at the moment. I just brought the drone out to the back of the car, and I walked up to a viewpoint, which is up there. Right up there. But it was too windy. It's too windy to fly. But it's a really beautiful bit of scenery here. The views are really nice. There's a lot of trucks coming up the road. I feel sorry for the lorry drivers, to be honest. These guys are struggling. They're bringing heavy loads up very tight corners, and they're very slow, they're struggling. There's a lot of scooters as well trying to get past, and cars, so it's a very dangerous place to drive. It's like now, scooter, truck, but this way you've got trucks again, and scooters. So I would not like to be a lorry driver on this road at the moment, and obviously going around tight corners is very hard. So the life of a lorry driver in the Philippines, in this area, must be very hard for them. But they're very good drivers. It's very dangerous, especially for these guys. So my police brother-in-law, he's here, he's arrived. We have both cars here at the moment. We stopped for a cup of coffee, just to stretch the legs. There's both the sisters. And we're having a nice journey. So this is my first real day out of Manila on the way to the provinces, or the countryside as we call it, the provinces. It's a really nice place to be. The air's very fresh, it's cool here, it's windy. Where everywhere else it's quite warm with no wind. Alright, let's get on with the journey. got a certain way of doing road working here. Everybody's so friendly again. Lorry drivers waving. Hi, boss. Hello, Bo. We've got an old grader there. Not seen one of them for a long time. That's called a grader for levelling surfaces. They're just digging out holes. Then further down the road, concrete gang's working by hand. We just stopped for a bite to eat. Just at this cafe. We're still in the valleys, surrounded by mountains, and it's not too hot. We're now out in the provinces. It's really nice here. Busy traffic, small roads. Very nice. And there's Warren, my police brother-in-law, and his wife and daughters, and obviously Mrs. C bringing up the rear. Hello, Mrs. C. Are we glad to be back? Glad to be home in the Philippines? Yeah?
I'm feeling sleepy now.
You feeling sleepy? It's been a busy few days, hasn't it, love? Last night was a bit of a...
Where's your bag?
In the car, babe. Where does it need to be? Do you need it? I think what she meant is, where's my wallet? That's what she meant. This is a good place to eat.
You want it too?
I'll have something. But just something small for the barbecue. There is the princess. Good morning, princess. Princess doesn't want to speak today. She's got that face. Somebody's tired. Typical place to eat. Covered over. Plenty of seats, chairs. And obviously all the buses come in here. They stop for a little bit to let people eat. There's jeepneys, scooters, trucks. Oh dear. And one sick niece over there. Never mind. Right guys, it's food time. We are in Mallig, and we're in the Victoria Liner, or the Victory Liner bus station, and it's a big restaurant with some really cool food. Lots of people here eating, and there's the bus station. So if you're in Mallig at any time, this is exactly where to come and get food. Everything is so nice. I got myself some barbecue. This is a big thing here in the Philippines, so it's the first time me trying it. Barbecued pork, baboy. Everybody else is eating rice. What are you eating?
Beans.
Ah, what is this? Beans. Beans and rice. Looking good. There's Nanai tucking in. Nanai loves rice. Peekaboo, what are you eating? Biscuit? Peekaboo is on cake. Everybody else, hi, everybody else is over there. Are YouTube? YouTube! Little one doesn't know what's going on at the moment, but we're on video. We're on YouTube. Alright, so we're going to eat now and we're going to carry on. So thank you to the really nice guys here at the restaurant, and thank you for letting me film. Salamat po, and we will catch you on the way back. Back on the road guys. Loads of coconuts. Loads of nice fields, valleys and mountains. Sorry about the wind. beautiful place. It's official, guys. What do you reckon, Mrs. C? Beautiful place. It is your home. Glad to be home. Hey guys, carrying on. Over there is the Calderia Mountains. Apparently we're going behind that. Loads of coconut here, guys. Buko. Plenty of buko. Pass it up. Anyway, buko juice. I'll be trying some of that. Yeah, definitely much more relaxed here than it is around Manila. Much more beautiful place. But we're going to Mums where they grow lots of rice, and that's even more beautiful. See you later, guys. Just want to catch a bit more of these mountains. Inside the car, Junior's nice and quiet, Ben's driving away, keeping us all safe. Child is sleeping. Ascension's got their eyes closed, and Nanai's watching over everybody from the back. Hi Nanai! Okay. Ben's a really good driver. Always looking after us. If you need an Uber while you're in this area, drop me a PM and I'll get you in touch with Ben. Talk to you in a bit, guys. Right guys, a bit further down the line, we just had a little bit of a stopover for the CR, as I call it over here. We are at the moment in the province of Nueva Vizcaya. Well, this place anyway. We stopped at the Laoag Eco-Tourism Park in the province of Nueva Vizcaya, which was apparently founded in 1839 or 1831. Very nice place. Laoag Eco-Tourism Park. So we're still in the hills. People are taking a rest. It's a bit warmer here, not so cold. Just going to find the CR with Mrs. C. Oh, it's getting warm, but still beautiful area, beautiful place. Lots of nice trees and nice people everywhere. This looks like a really nice place you could come. You can stay over and take a walk around and explore the beauty of the Philippines, guys. It's really amazing what sort of places you'll find around here when you're not really looking for them. They just present themselves. But it is really nice. Right, so Laoag, I'll take his woman's, and I'm hoping Baba is men's. No, I might be wrong. I've got to listen for voices now.
Oi.
That's woman's is Baba, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, that's Mrs. C telling me I'm wrong. So this one, I've just learnt something. This means men's room in the Philippines. It's better. I get more leak breaks. It's got nothing to do with that red horse I drank yesterday. So what's this place? This is the reservation and ticket booth. So if you're ever passing this way, come and say hi. There's the entrance. There's a lot of traffic today, to say it's a Sunday. Still them slow moving trucks going up the hills. Loads of scooters and guys. Whoa. Just gotta wait for Mrs. C coming back. There's our man Ben. Hi Ben.
Hi sir. Welcome to Isabela.
Best driver. The best driver ever. Famous on YouTube. There's Brother Junior. Brother Junior is the best brother. He makes everything happen. The fixer. Oh. Yeah, beautiful. Well, we'll wait for Mrs. C to get back and we'll carry on.
Hi guys, opening boxes. I will start in the kitchen. How we got in the balikbayan box. There they are. Look. Coffees and all the kettles and you know, rice cooker all the way here. Yan po. Yan, yan, yan. How many boxes now we open? 5. All these soap, shampoos, pasta, biscuit, coffee, sweets, look, pastas, anything in the kitchen sink. We have every clothes. Okay, mom stuff is asleep already. Time's already, mother. This is the 5th boxes. 6.
There's 2 left. Yeah, 2 left.
You like 2 left there in the corner, babe.
Yes, that's number 6.
Okay, all this is my sister. This is one my sisters, another sisters, and another sister. Huh?
They have names.
Yes,
I can call them sisters, I don't know
Maricel,
the name.
Manilla, Mary Jane, MMM, and this is my nephew. Hello to the camera.
Hello.
Ah. This is the 6 boxes. Oy.
Si Calayab na with the new laptop.
See, Kayla is
Setting up the laptop.
setting up the laptop that Steve gave it. They sorted out all the email address and everything.
Vincent, ay Kayla, di pa pa ni.
One.
To watch the YouTube channel.
Hindi pwede pa.
Should be on YouTube.
Yeah.
Yeah, no excuse, huh? Subscribe. That's the point, Goyla. You have no excuse not to subscribe on YouTube for you. I'll see your name come up now.
8 boxes. You're sweating too.
Sweating? No, I'm just leaking. It's nothing to do with the fact it's hot and I'm in the Philippines.
Alam mo, ligoid mo pa lang to eh.
We're going to shower for a night.
I don't know.
We got a serrated knife.
Careful because you slice it is something the inside.
Hey, I'm actually very good at putting slicing shit, trust me.
Panglalaki. Amin itawo damdama ito no ko kan sudan tumutang na kita lalaki. Very hard to open the boxes.
Fingers. Yeah, red.
Oh, pang buyang.
That sort of works. Right, well that's the end of our day, guys. We come all the way. We're at Nano's house now with family. I'm tired, Senshin's tired, and I think we spent 12 hours on the road today. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, just like. I'm not asking you to subscribe because I know you too well by now. You never subscribe. Good night from me. Good night.
Good night everyone. Good night.
Bye bye. Alright.
Sabihin kung paano